We appeal to the international community to be aware and do not just ignore our dire circumstances of the total exterminations that the Ethiopian government is applying against our Somali people. We also appeal to the Somali people, especially all the Somali spiritual leaders, the politicians, the Somali intellectuals, and the Somali civil society to come together to a nationwide consultation meeting against the ongoing ethnical cleansing against the Somali people. It is not only the Afar ethnical population who is apparently engaging in wars against the Somali and what, of course, themselves admitted as a Pyrrhic war with enormous losses. To be clear, it is the Ethiopian government and its generals who intentionally uprooting us from our motherland. To be specific, under the Ethiopian state there exists lascivious ideology of Somali xenophobia, anti-Somali, that the governments of Ethiopia forced the Somali nation in Ethiopia into the position of alienated pariah compared with the rest of the Ethiopian societies, pure racism that forbids the Somali nationals to be an integrative entity in the Ethiopian societies. Not only that, what exists about the political plans which the Ethiopian government traced for the Somali nationals is the intention of displacing the Somali population out of its motherland with force. Moreover, what exists is the act of the total extermination, through what it calls inter-ethnical conflict, but the hidden avant-gardist of the mission is the paramilitarily of Ethiopia, which carries all the mischievous devastations, wide range of genocides, targeting individuals and eliminating them. The existence of the Somali people under the Ethiopian administration is not only appalling, but it is on the edge of being expunged. So, we urge all the Somali compatriots in DDS, Somali State, and elsewhere to lift up your voices through peaceful demonstration. And we appeal to the international community and the United Nations to take measured steps against Ethiopia's inhuman act against the Somali people under its dominion. Ugass Mustafe Mohamed Ibrahim. Thank you.